Hello everyone, this is me Rishav and welcome again to my podcast. Hello ma'am, can you hear me?
Definitely, I can hear you.
Yeah ma'am, very welcome, very warm welcome to my podcast. So ma'am, can you give your introduction so that our listener can get you?
Okay. I am Preeti from Jharkhand. I am
Mhm.
a teacher by profession.
Okay. Okay, that's fantastic. So you are from Jharkhand and my name is Rishav and basically I am also from Jharkhand and I am a student. So ma'am,
Okay. Happy to meet with you.
yeah, exactly. So, ma'am, just as you told that you are a teacher, so what kind of subject you teach, or what is like on what stream you have good knowledge in teaching?
Okay. I am teaching maths and science basically.
Okay.
Sometimes I am also assisting students in terms of social science. Like I was doing my preparing myself for competitive exams. That is the reason I can help them in all these three subjects. But yeah, maths is one of my favorite one.
Okay, okay. So, like when I was in my school days, so I was not liking math that much. I was not that much strong in math that I was not liking the math. So, like I think most of the person doesn't like math. So, what is the solution for them? That how because I think math for some student it is quite interesting. For some it is quite boring. So, how they can make their math strong or how they can get interest in math? Because as you are a teacher, and this is a question.
Yeah, definitely. It happens that some of the students, like if you don't get the exactly how what is the process or how it is solving, how we make the sum to solve. So that time you are not getting the process, and that time each and every sum will be a like a gigantic monster like for you, right? But
Okay.
once you get to know the process, how to solve it, right,
Mm.
the main thing which you have to understand is the process how to solve it, and then after the long one page math is like quite easy for you. But now the students, what they are trying to do, they are trying to copy it from somewhere. Okay, they are
Mm.
trying to understand the whole one page sum, how they are doing divide or multiplication and
Mm.
all, and they are
Mm.
least focusing on the process, which is just 2 minutes. Just there are some basic formulas from
Mm.
which they can derive hundreds of formulas more. So in that all they are not focusing. They are actually not devoting their time at the right place. They want to complete the sum, like number one sum completed, then number two sum.
Mm.
In this way, it is time taking for
Okay.
themselves. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah. Because when I was a student, like when I was in my school level, so I was not like that much liking math. Okay, I'm not saying that math is a boring subject or something like that, because it depends person to person, and I was not that much interested. Okay, but like one of my teacher, she was a math teacher, and she made the math very interesting for me and for the students. So I think due to that, I was also interested in math. Okay, so I would like my teacher made the math very interesting for me at that level, so that is the thing.
Definitely. It depends upon teacher to teacher also. Sometimes what happens, we have to reward something so that you might have some interest on that particular
Mm.
topic. Like if you are weak student, right? And
Mm.
if I am giving you the toughest sum, so it is very impossible for you to grab it. So
Mm.
in starting, what teachers should do, they should give some easy sum so that a student, they can solve the sum by their own self. And in this way, they boost up their confidence, and
Mm.
after that they are more into it, like a level by level they can up,
Exactly.
right?
Yeah. Mm. Yeah. So this is the strategy, okay, that most of the teacher used to do, and my teacher also used to do that. She used to reward or something like she used to appreciate us for the good deed, okay, so that the student was more motivated in the field and they was trying to solve more and more, and they was very like eager to solve the questions. So that was good. And like ma'am,
Definitely.
yeah, and ma'am, like what is your like more interest, like as your teacher, and what things you do more, like what is your interest or what you like to do more?
Okay, as I'm teacher, so teaching is my first
Hmm.
favorite one task. I enjoy teaching lot. While teaching my students, it was like that I never feel boredom. It was never hectic for me. I
Hmm.
always enjoy teaching. But yeah, apart from teaching, if you'll say that sometime listening song, it's like healing my mind.
Hmm.
And dancing is also my favorite one. Generally, teachers don't have this type of hobby, but yeah, I do, and I love it. Yeah.
Okay, exactly. So like which kind of music you listen, and what is the impact of music in the people or in you, or like what do you think?
Okay, yeah, music has no great diversity. Like it depends upon your mind to mind. Means sometimes it was not like that that I'm listening a particular music. Sometimes I'm into listening motivational music, like when I need it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or it depends upon the weather also. Sometimes we are feeling love songs and something like that. Sometimes when we are in the mood of dance, so that time we want to watch some loud music, right? So
Mm-hmm.
this all every type of music I like.
Okay. Okay, yeah, every type of music. And yeah, every type of music. And you like dancing also. Yeah, that is really great. And if I talk about your qualifications, so what are the qualifications have you completed?
Okay, I have completed my graduation from English honors. Then I completed my B.Ed. As a teacher. It is compulsion for me,
Mm-hmm.
and now I have enrolled myself IGNOU MA. Yeah, it is not completed. It is going on process.
Okay, okay, fine. And how is the life of the teacher? Because I have not experienced and what is the life of the teacher? Like, is that easy? Is that hard? Or because I just want to know that how is the life of teacher in the field of teaching, in the field of struggle, how to in the field of handling the student. So what would
Yeah,
you like
so
to say?
yes, the life of a teacher, like we are the idol of lots of the students. So in our personal life or professional life, both, we can't do any type of thing which will
Uh,
destroy our image or which will gonna to affect anyway
mm,
badly to our students. Because
mm,
generally, students role models are teacher, right? So
exactly.
definitely we have to choose each and every part very sincerely, that
Mm,
if it might be affect to the students also. So
mm,
discipline, one thing I can say. And then after, apart from it, like nowadays it is not like that teacher is a strict personality whom everyone or every student should be
mm,
fear, right?
exactly.
Teachers are also very friendly and jolly minded.
Mm,
They are also having lots of games they can play. Sometimes they are also playing the role of um, advisor for the student. Any
mm,
type of personal or issues related with studies also, the student can
exactly.
easily discuss with us. So it was not like that a strict personality, but yeah, discipline and yeah, this personality we wanna have.
Yeah. And like some people like criticize teacher because some people criticize the teacher because teacher do lot of things in a good field and teacher are the backbone of the country and they train lot of people like whoever is in the good position. For example, even I like I am too able or like I'm not that good position or anybody okay who are now doing something great who are earning money or who are good at their field. Okay, the everything goes to that teacher, but even some people criticize the teacher.
Yeah, it happens. At some point of time, what happens? Some of the teacher are it is what to say. It is a controversial topic, little bit. Like it is like that. No, depend upon teacher to teacher also, and the parent has some bad mentality, like wrong mindset also.
Mm-hmm.
If a student is not good, okay, so teacher don't have any medicine that they can give them, and they are coming with good marks, right?
Exactly, yeah.
So it depends upon the, it means many of the things depends, the attention of the parents, as well as sometimes genetics also means a lot to the for
Mm-hmm.
the student. So the parents should keep all these things in mind. And yeah, I think they should definitely respect teachers because they are the backbone of society. But as well as, I also don't deny with the fact that some of the teachers are don't taking the responsibility in the right way. They are working for the money. Okay,
Business.
so yeah, it happens no that if in a ocean also you will find some of the bad drops or something like that, so it will gonna to affect whole ocean. So it is like that the whole teaching system will gonna to affect by this.
Mm-hmm.
But
Exactly.
apart from this, the parents should also understand the fact that
Mm-hmm.
the teacher could study. Okay, rest is on the student also, as well as parent also. There are lots of things they have
Okay.
to understand. Yeah.
Yeah, that's quite fine. And like one more thing that what is a piece of advice you would like to give like those who are listening us right now. So like think that might be a teacher, that might be a student because everybody can be two things. Okay, a teacher, a student, or like professional, and they're also a kind of student also. So what is the piece of advice you will like to give to the students, those who are listening us in the field of studying or in the field of like if they're studying something, okay, they don't like study or something in the field of studying, and as well as a teacher in the field of teaching the students.
Okay. Okay, I got your point. Yeah. So first of all, I will wanted to say the students that this is the time. Just give your 100% whatever you are doing, because this is the time you can do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and the result you will get later on. But if this time will go, it will never gonna to come to you. So just prove yourself. Just do
Mm-hmm.
your best. Like, and yeah, I also want to say something to parents that
Okay.
they should support their children definitely in whatever field they are genius, just to find out the field in which they are genius. It
Mm-hmm.
doesn't that every person or every student should be come with
Mm-hmm.
100% or 90% marks in maths or
Mm-hmm.
science or in any field.
Okay.
Like there are lots of field, and they have to find out their
Mm-hmm.
special one,
Yeah, and
right?
like yeah, and like there is a saying of the thing. Okay, like if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, okay,
Yes.
so we should not do this. Okay, like we should not judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree. Now, like every student is different. Every student have different interest, different passion. So I think we
Yeah,
should also not.
and comparing also, like one thing I want to mention over here, that sometimes what not parent or students also, they are comparing their marks, they are comparing their achievement. It will gonna to give nothing. It has only bad effect. So
Exactly.
just they should to try to be best version of themselves only.
Okay, exactly. And like, what is the advice would you like to give? Like, as you said, the student and the parents, okay, and like as told the student that give you 100%, and to parents also that don't like don't check. Everybody have different ability. So, what is the advice you would like to give the teachers, like those who are listening, as might be also the teacher? So, what other things would you like to say to him or her?
Okay, like what can I suggest to teachers, because they are already teacher and I respect all the teachers, so they are like my friends, and I just want to say them if one thing that I am saying to myself. What
Mm-hmm.
happens sometime I'm gonna tired with some of the weak students, but yeah, after each every 1 or 2 day I am saying to myself that no, I mean they are not doing it okay, but I can't quit here. I have to move ahead to push them again and again. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so yeah, this only thing I think that I want to say with all the teachers, that we can't quit. We have to make each and every day. We have to come up with each and every day with little more energy to push our big student and to step up our good students.
Exactly. Okay, yeah, because like some teacher like focus on only good students, some teacher focus on only bad students. Like we should be like genuine, and we should focus on every student. Like we should give equally time, because if we focus on only good student, I think the weak student will be left behind. If we focus on only weak student, I think the good student will be left behind. So we should be an all rounder, and we should focus on the things like
Each
all
and
the.
every,
Yeah,
definitely.
exactly. So like when I was like one ma'am was our class teacher. So she used to focus on all the people. Okay, not only the good student, but weak student, mediocre, everyone. And she was very teaching really good, and so her qualities was really outstanding. So I would like to appreciate her in my podcast. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, can I know the name of your ma'am?
Okay, yeah. So my ma'am, like, she was, I think, from class 8, she was teaching me, and she like also has been in the like in my 10th, she was my class teacher, and her name is Ma'am Rinku.
Okay, that's really great. Yeah, so this type of teacher is like that we are gonna with remember
Yeah,
always in
exactly.
our life, and we always take their name with lot of respect. And I think this is the main thing which a teacher wants.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, because teacher only decide the life of a student. Okay, that how their life would be. Like the student also is more like is also the part of it. But yeah, but it also depend on the teacher somehow or directly or indirectly. It also depend on the teacher that how like they gonna make or they gonna do for them.
Definitely.
Yes. And like, what is your more hobby? If I talk about your interest, so as you told that singing and dancing and teaching is your profession. So what more like except this? What is your interest and what would you like to do? or your
Yeah,
passion?
traveling places, like visiting new places, because exploring is the thing which make us, which give us more knowledge, like practical knowledge.
Hmm.
So yeah, I want to enjoy my life whenever I have free time, or whenever I take a break from my teaching line life. So
Hmm.
that time definitely I want to travel, want to see different parts of world, different cultural heritage and all. And yeah, sometimes reading books is also. I think
Good.
this is one thing which every teacher loves to do.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So like I think you mostly would be reading the academic books.
No, all type, like drama and all. It could be English stories also. It could be Hindi. Some of the time, Doha and all in Hindi.
Mm,
Kabir
okay,
Das,
poetry
Rahim
and
Das.
all.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. I got it. I got it.
So that also I like.
Hmm. And like I think as you said that you are like in a field of motivation, like in
Yeah,
the.
I like sometimes.
Hmm.
Sometime I have seen that lots of students are considering me by motivating words. It was like that they are saying that
Hmm.
now I will not do, and sometimes it has happened that I make them to do.
Exactly. And like one more question is arising in my mind that in the life of student, okay, I think in student or anybody life, mostly it happen in student, they feel demotivated or something like they are not always motivated. And without motivation, I think you cannot do anything in life. Okay, if you are lack of motivation, you cannot do. Yeah, you can do, but you will not able to do that much thing in that much effective or productive way. So the question is that how can a student, a teacher, or anyone can be motivated always? Like can have self motivation or can be motivated?
Okay, so like always motivation is not possible. It is not like a thing that we are doing always, right?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
always motivation, first of all, it doesn't need at all when we are doing work. So why we need motivation, right?
Hmm.
So it happened that at certain point of time when we're stuck, okay, so that if if you are giving someone continuous motivation, then after a certain period of time that motivation will don't gonna to work. So it is like a medicine which doesn't require to give someone continuously. It only required to give when actually the person need it, right? And in
Yeah.
what quantity, that also in very precise way. So
Mm,
yeah,
okay.
these are the things. These are the things that sometimes motivation helps a lot. Some people are quite good enough. They are having self motivation
Mm,
that by watching something or by thinking something, they could motivate themselves. Right? Their
exactly.
drive are so strong. But yeah, definitely some people need it.
Mm,
And with any of the person, like sometimes their friends, their parents, sometimes YouTubers, sometimes
mm,
teachers.
yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Because
this is
motivation,
it.
yeah, is a
Yeah.
thing that requires in all the places. Can it is motivation is not like the thing that yeah, like if you eat something you will be motivated. Like it is not the thing that you can do it by your own self. Okay, so this is the main thing.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. What more points would you like to add? You can add in the field of motivation.
I think almost all things you have asked, right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so like mostly thing I have covered, and so just what I just wanted to ask you. Yeah, so like what is your like plan? Like what is your future plan, or what would you like to do? Like you would like to carry that in the field of teaching only, or would you like to go do something different in life, or what is your
Okay.
yeah like long term, like short term and
Yeah.
long term goals?
Okay. Like teaching is my short-term and long-term goal both.
Okay.
I and I'm enjoying it. And yeah, in future, if something, then something more I have thought about myself that what I would do in future, like social work.
Hmm.
Related with, first of all, I have lots of plan to earn some more, but it is like that sometimes misconception also that for doing social work we are needing, we need lot of money. It is not like that.
Hmm.
So yeah, but it's something we need somewhere, so definitely I will do it. And I just started it, with a small work.
Hmm.
And and there are lots of plans that I'll do in future
Okay. That.
regarding education of the poor students, regarding
Hmm.
something for the women living in our society,
Okay.
regarding
Women
pollution
empowerment.
also. Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah, that is like quite like, oh my God. It is this kind of things very rare I get to hear from the people, but I'm getting from you. So I'm very happy to listen these all kind of things. And yeah, and one more just question I want to ask, okay, because I'm
Hmm.
just a student and they are a teacher. So just I want to ask you that I think I used to get hear from lot of people and lot of things that is study everything. This is, I think this is some.
Can you repeat your words, please?
Yeah, the question is little bit different and little bit drastic. So the is study everything?
Okay, it
Yeah.
was not like that. No, I don't think so. That because I have seen that lots of people are doing great in their life without studying also. But nowadays, it is considered as education is considered our basic necessity, right?
Hmm.
So definitely it is very necessary. Education is very necessary.
Hmm.
Like regarding in means there are lots of work which you can't do without having it.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
like basic education, without it, how could you write? How could you express yourself? There are lots of fields where you will feel, lots of difficulties also.
Hmm.
So yeah, but some people have practical knowledge, and with basic education, they could do great in their life, right?
Hmm. Because what I hear that from the society, okay, where I live, so I used to hear these things a word like study is everything. Okay, that yeah, somehow I agree, but this I hear
Yeah,
from
it
the
is because if it is not in the mentality of people, then everyone will think that we will do without a study, right? And
yeah.
it was like that, in millions, one can do without education something really great,
Yeah,
right?
like
So it was like that for millions of people. We have to consider. So definitely, study is very important in each and every field.
hmm.
It affects your behavior also. It affects your mentality also. Like in our life, it is like that. Without it, we can't assume a civilized life also sometimes.
Okay.
But it should be in good way.
Hmm.
Like
So,
only bookish knowledge should not be there.
hmm.
Yeah.
Because like what happened, like where I live in society, okay, like I'm not criticizing or saying anyone in a bad or criticized manner. Just I'm saying that in society, what I hear that study is everything. But if I come out of my society and if I try to explore the world, if I try to talk with a lot of people, and just I try to see the out of world and try to see the millionaires or something, okay, something out of the world, living my society, then I realize that no, study is not only everything. Okay, that a lot except study we can
Yeah,
enhance and we can
definitely.
explore a lot of things. Okay, I think which can be more and very more valuable than studies.
Definitely, but what no, you can't leave your basic studies because whatever you are doing, basic study will definitely require by you. Like
Mm-hmm.
up to class 10 or 12, it is like almost compulsory, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But with his study, you could have, like in terms of study, you don't want to do PhD or something. It is very okay and fine. You could do lot of things are there. You can go with that. But basic studies like that, something you can't leave it because without
Mm.
it, definitely something you will lack in your life.
Exactly, exactly. Okay, fine. Yeah, yeah. Like basic study is also very important in our life. Yeah, so
Definitely.
yeah. So what was my next question? What I was asking? I just forgot. Uh, yes, yes. So yeah, the my main question is related to English and related to communication skills. That
Okay.
yeah, so that how can we improve? Like how can we improve English and communication skills, and how it is important in the life of student or in the life of teacher or in the life of professional or anybody about communication skills and English.
Okay. Yes. First of all, English and communication skill is two different things,
Yeah, two
right?
different things. Yeah, I'm talking
Two
about both
different.
the things. Yeah.
Okay. So
Hmm.
if regarding communication, it will say definitely communication is the thing which we wanted. Like without communication, we don't able to express ourselves. We don't have a good gathering, good surrounding, good social interaction. We don't have. And if
Hmm.
you are, there are lots of work which need a good communication. If I'll say the teacher also teach the work of teacher also need a good communication because without good communication you can't able to uh, make others to understand yourself, right? In
Exactly.
regarding any of the business also you need communication. So
Hmm.
communication is a thing which doesn't depend only on the language. It totally depends upon your complete body language. How at the time of interaction, your eyes should be looking towards the person with whom you are talking. Sometimes you
Hmm.
could be here and there, but it will not nice that if you are looking somewhere and talking with someone, right? The
Hmm.
the the way you are standing, it should not be sluggish way. You should not be study, because it will show your laziness and the person will get the same vibe. It
Mm.
should be like by your talk. It should be like you have some interest with the person
Yeah,
in
exactly.
in talking. Means listening is also very necessary.
Mm.
Like
Okay.
yes.
Okay, so it's over. Fine, fine. Yeah, so I think I should not take the podcast very long. I think if I take it very long, the person will not hear or something like they don't like long thing. They like short thing, like short podcast with short kind of knowledge. Okay, so
Yeah, definitely.
yeah, so I think I would like to, and very thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. And like right now, I'm over
I,
the moon to get you here in
okay,
the
it's
podcast.
my pleasure. It's my pleasure that I have been with you. It was really a very nice, conversation or discussion with you.
Yes.
I
So
think people will also get some of the benefits from this,
yeah,
definitely.
exactly, exactly. So my main motive is to help people, okay, to so that they can learn something new and they can improve themselves. I hope that they have learned a lot of things from this podcast and they have gained a lot of things of their interest from this podcast. And thank you very much, ma'am, for giving your precious and very valuable time and coming to my podcast. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure too.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Have a good day, ma'am. We will connect again.
Yes.